Laxgalts'ap is a Nisga'a community within the Nass Valley, a community of about 500 people. In the last 3 years, we've began rapidly expanding housing, bringing more people in to live in the community, more families, more young children, and that kind of leads into bringing in or creating more amenities like the park that we just completed.
We've seen so much growth over the years that we've been doing a lot of building, bringing a lot of people home that live in the cities and urban areas, and so to have this available and it be so large that everyone can enjoy it, it's been pretty amazing.
Not just serving Laxgalts'ap, but also the Nisga'a Nation. The park does that really well because people do travel. You know, people's families aren't just in one community. I'm not from here. I travel here every day. My son will come with me, and he gets to play at the park. You know, kids from Kincolith, Gidwingsisk, Gilachdamix, they all can come down here and enjoy it with their family or their friends at school, and so it does have a deeper impact than just within these village lands.
In the design process, we thought about making it big, and not worrying about adding on to it later. If you look at the concept design, it's a fish. So you'll see that in the park, when you visit the park, it's called Ank'idaa Community Park, and you'll see that design there. So as we went along, like it was over 1.5 years that we were planning it, as we went along we added, again, like I mentioned, we didn't want to continue to add on years after it was done. Like, let's get this done now. We'll do the basketball court right away. We'll do the elders walking area, the fitness area, everything right away, just so we weren't having to add on. And there was a bunch of different areas that contributed funds for it too, so it was really nice to kind of make it as large as it is.
Working through our extensive wish list on what we wanted and really making it fit for us. In the actual construction of the park and then leading up to actual operation, there are always hiccups in projects like this, but Maker does a really great job of actually following up with us and trying to make things right as soon as possible. So we've had a great experience with them from start to finish.